Is medical device technology really cutting edge? We all want to think that we're in the really cool industry that has everything that's the highest technology. But is it really true? If you're brave enough, take a little ride with me down the rabbit hole and see where this leads. I'm Rob Packard from Medical Device Academy, and we all want to believe that we're in the really cool cutting edge technology industry called medical devices. But our industry is extremely conservative. Everything we do is very, very slow to adopt new technology. There are some exceptions, but not very many. Most of the time, we are one of the last industries to adopt new technology. And our regulators that are setting the laws that confine what we can and can't do are the most conservative of all. They don't want to do things unless people die, unless a lot of people die. They implement regulations when they see a large scandal or they see a lot of deaths, a major class one recall. If that doesn't happen, we don't implement new regulations. So, this is where we really are in terms of technology. 1994, medical device regulations were implemented by the US FDA. In 1994, they started writing it. In 1996, it was finally approved, and we had design controls. But 1994 is forever ago. We're now saying we're going to modernize the medical device regulations. We're going to adopt ISO 1345. But that was written at the same time by the same people. It's 1994 technology. The waterfall diagram was adopted with permission from Health Canada, who copied it from the 1994 standard ISO 9001. There is nothing new about the waterfall diagram. That's 1910 project management technology. Yes, World War I technology is waterfall. Traditional project management is 1910 technology. So what about Agile? That's 2001. We implemented risk controls in 2000, software in 2006, human factors in 2007, and cybersecurity in 2016. And that's 8 years old. And people are just now figuring out a generation later how to implement it as part of design controls and still wondering how to do this. This is really old technology. So you need to figure out, how are you going to implement this into your design control process? Do not count on implementing ISO 1345 is going to modernize your design controls. You need to look at things completely different from an integrated standpoint. Agile isn't enough. Scrum isn't enough. ISO 1345 isn't enough. And all those standards that you're learning separately is not enough. You need to learn an integrated design control process that really is cutting edge, that skips steps that add no value and really concentrates on what matters. So we're teaching a new revamped design control course this Wednesday that's going to try to do that. Some of the things that we're going to present are going to be a little controversial. Look, well, that's not how I was taught it. That's not the way we've always done it at this company. Yeah, it's been done that way for 30 years. We used to do bloodletting too, but nobody's signing up for leaching of their skin anytime soon here. There's a better way to do design control. So show up for our webinar this Wednesday, and we'll show you a modern way. Take the red pill. Go down the rabbit hole with me, and we'll show you how to do it the modern way. See you Wednesday.